What's up, everybody? So I'm getting ready to use the Gardiner pool. I actually have the turn on and off right here, so when you turn the brush head, you're all set and you can go where you want it to. You can keep it, you know, this length. That's all you need. You need blaring down. So here we go. I'll put it on here. Wet it all down. And then I'll twist it. I'll conserve the water. And there we go. On to the next window. Now these windows here are going to be a little different because they're all little cut-ups. So this will be fun. This is the best part about Waterfed poles. All right, this window here is a bay window. As you can see, the filth is on there. All kinds of just nastiness. This is going to be the perfect and prime example of why having a Waterfed pole is so nice. So here we go. I'm just going to go ahead and turn the water on. Scrub this real good here. Oops. Split it up into two. All right, go ahead and let this dry, and I'll show you what it looks like once it all dries. As it's purified water, it's coming out 000, and it's going to be purified water, which is going to be perfect water on there. That's why it's able to dry crystal clear. So, matter of fact, let's go take a look at our other window. That's off, and now it's turned off. I can turn it back on by just slightly turning it, and this is plenty of water right here. So we're going to go up, down, scrub the glass, the sides of the white. And now we're just going to chase it. All right, let's try the next one. Get this nice and scrubbed. Get all those corners nice and good. And then what I like to do is it can turn up the water and just let it out. There we go. Now we're going to let that dry, and you guys can see what it will look like.